How we play with color is really like a feeling we have. I think that we could not explain it.
We love to create a mix of different feelings in each room.
There's no rules. The client is a nutritionist.
The brief of the client was to have his clinic now, but to change this clinic in apartment in the future. He had a lot of personality and love their job, so they work a lot. So there's some service for the client and a separate, more intimate part for him with his bedroom and private bathroom.
My name is Julie, I'm French.
Hi, I'm Giuseppe, I'm Italian. We are owners of the La Fotosintesi. It's an architectural studio here in Naples.
We are partners in life and in work.
Here we are in Chiaia. It's one of the elegant neighborhoods of Naples. It's a quiet area close to the sea. The apartment is in an old classical 19th century Baroque style building.
Most of the studio of doctors are cold. I mean, it's not like you are so happy to go to the doctor. So I think that he wanted to create this mood to give joy to the client that comes to him.
When we came the first time, it was
Cold,
yeah.
sad.
There was no nice light, nice energy. It was a typical apartment. The idea it was to create a box in a box. All the mezzanine and the kitchen and the bathroom for the clients are in this box. And this box creates the private part of the apartment.
This episode is brought to you by Odoo. Odoo is an all-in-one management software to start and run your very own business. With Odoo's recruitment app, the entire recruiting process is streamlined, so you can find the best people for your team quickly and easily. Let's create a new job position. Then add some details, like the location, department, and employment type. We can also create tracker links to see where most of the applicants are applying from. When it's all filled out, Odoo lets you preview the application page and customize it to your liking. Using the recruitment dashboard, you can view and keep track of all the current positions on offer. This person looks like the right fit. All of the candidates' details, including their resumes, are organised in one location. Welcome to the team, Abigail. Hiring the right candidate just got a whole lot easier with Odoo. The first app is free forever with unlimited hosting and support. It also includes a free custom domain for the first year. Click on the link in the description and try it today.
The entrance is marked by a custom-made door that opens onto a pleat red French marble reception desk. And I think that it's really the mix of vintage and modern pieces that enriches the space.
There's all the space to put the computer and all the stuff that they need to work. We designed a custom cabinet back to the reception area, and it's in walnut canaletto.
In the reception area, we also add a mezzanine, which is a storage. We put nothing that you use every day.
In the living room, the apartment regained its original height.
The client had these two sofas designed by Goran Malval, a Swedish designer. The room has been designed to valorize these two sofas.
The waiting room, originally it was narrow, and we create an alcove to have some extra space to put the two sofas. We create a library that made the frame for the sofa from the waiting area. The bookshelf by Cartel subtly encourages moments of reading. A small door with a marble detail opening to a dark brown corridor, getting visitors to the doctor's office.
All the space are full of art, of design, so in the guest bathroom you'll find a big statue that watches you. It's funny.
The waiting area in the future can be a bedroom with these toilets.
The small walnut kitchen echoes scholars use throughout the project, creating continuity across the spaces. A high shelf provides a practical space for the staff can enjoy their meals.
The little kitchenette that we create in Walnut Canaletto is made to cook and to storage all the kitchen supplies. Under the window we create more storage.
The office bathroom is fully tiled in contrasting grey and blue tiles. We decided to put it horizontal way to give identity. If we wanted to do it for space, we would have done it vertical way to give height. But it's not what we were looking for when we designed it.
We don't want to modify the idea of the space. It's a little space, it's nice like that. There is also storage close to the door where they put some cleaning product. The doctor's office is the heart of the home, his personal world. The project colored palettes continue here, create a warm, welcoming atmosphere enhanced by the presence of a lot of wall lamps and floor lamps that gently illuminate the space. A small custom sink, finished in the same marble used elsewhere in the house, add a refined and practical detail. There is a space where he works. With color, we create another space when he visits his client.
We know that he has a lot of bottles. We know that he has this library with like museum with a lot of things in it. So when we design the space, we design it for those things. We designed the stairs to go to the mezzanine, to the private space. We decided to do a sculptural stair.
And we create this balustrade that's really high to give some privacy for the doctor. In the mezzanine, it's a small space, but in this small space, there's the bedroom, there's a little dressing, and a private bathroom. We have a round window in metal that connects the mezzanine to the high ceiling of the kitchen. So we create this round window to have some light on the mezzanine. These three spaces is separate, but done by the handmade metal and glass door.
This kind of glass that we use on the mezzanine is a way to give privacy. So you can't see what's in the dressing, you can't see a person in the bathroom, but you don't close the space visually with a wall or something. So you have the light and the privacy. Like the other bathroom, we choose two tiles, red and black tiles. And we choose pink toilet. I don't know, it was intuitive again.
We try to not just have a function, but also to give idea of museum, a little museum, there is some painting. Knowing the client, it was normally to not separate the function of the work and the clinic and the home. For us, it's just one space. Before it was a regular apartment, and now it's cheap.
It's true.
In this project, there is no outside. We don't play with the natural lights. We don't play with landscape. It's born from inside and stay inside. So all the beauty that you see, all the lights, it's artificial light. At the end, you have a nice space where you want to stay, even if there's no landscape, there's no natural light that's come inside.
Inspired by this home and the couple who created it, you'll find more from them in issue 4 of our magazine. Get your copy now at nevertoosmall.com/store.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.